Nye County Police Department and Nye Emergency Management Agency have issued a 911 telephone outage for Nye, Nevada. Effective until further notice. From now 2 hours, 911 centers across Nye County are being inoperable by the increasing number of calls made, particularly in the Las Vegas area. The calls are often saying that they're seeing aliens and that they are being attacked or abducted by them. If you aren't in a life-threatening situation, please call the Sheriff's Office at 1-775-751-7000 for further assistance. If you're in a life-threatening situation and unable to join a 911 operator within 3 minutes, please contact the Sheriff's Office at 1-775-751-7000. Nye Police Department, thank you for your cooperation. Civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for Mercury, NV, and 20 miles around Mercury, NV. Effective until further notice. A wide body has been hijacked and crashed at Desert Rock Airport and caused a large widespread fire and casualties. If you're 5 miles within Mercury, please evacuate. This is a mandatory evacuation order for Mercury and within 5 miles radius persons. Firefighters will try to extinguish the fire and help surviving passengers, although unfortunately, no survivors are expected. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. Multiple aircrafts are taking off without any clearance and radio contacts are unsuccessful. These aircraft are headed to Nevada. For safety, all transportation to Nevada is stopped. Already one airliner has been crashed near Mercury, Nevada, and LAPD won't take any risks. All roads to Nevada are closed. Los Angeles Police Department, thank you for your cooperation.